Mayntayne Jackson, doing automotive training. Well, I graduated now, so graduate of PTTI Automotive Training. I work at Pep Boys now, you feel me? I'm an inspector, got both my licenses. Hey, how I got the PTTI. I was in a state of mind where I'm focusing on myself, trying to figure my next step. And I started going to PTTI to help find my foundation, I would say. So I work on cars now. Love working on cars, love doing it, And it's something I can take with me anywhere, I can just stop here in Philly and start next in Jersey, like there's no problem with it, I can take it far, anywhere I want to go, work on cars. Favorite moments, things. I love being in the shop at PTTI. Like the shop, it was always hands-on, always big topic, always something to do. We was always working on something. Even if we wasn't even working on it, we was always watching somebody to get an insight on something, learn something. You can learn something every day. Take every day as a lesson. Take every day as a lesson, because I'm not the brightest, but I know I can go further if I learn some more. I'm not done where I'm at. There's more to go. Proudest accomplishment, I'm able to say I got something under my belt that I can be proud of. I'm a mechanic. Somebody asks me what you do and who are you? I'm a mechanic. I work on cars. I don't just sit around and do nothing all day. I really get in there, get dirty, pull my sleeves up, let's go. This is my work hoodie. This dirty right now. I want to go work, but I'm off today. You know what I'm saying? But it's just I got something I can go somewhere with. I don't have kids right now, but if I had a child, I could tell my child, listen, you know what I'm saying? I work every day. I go to work on cars. I do something productive. Something somebody can look up to me doing. You know what I'm saying? I can teach it. I can spread it on to somebody else. It made me more focused, you know what I'm saying, on the long run and the short term. It gave me an insight on making sure I have something to keep moving, keep paying attention to the future, you know what I'm saying? This is my foundation, yeah, but I can take it farther. I can help this build whatever I need to build on. You know what I'm saying? Future, cars, shop, lot, interactions, you know what I'm saying? Fun, living life. You know what I'm saying? That's what my future looking like. I took the first step. Came to PTTI, started a course, I finished it, got my licenses. I'm an inspector now. Now it's to go on. Now it's to really put in that work that I learned. You know what I'm saying? And once I really put in that work, after that is to start the lot. It's to start selling the cars. It's to start, you know what I'm saying? Everything is a step by step, and I'm halfway there. I started in July. Yeah, July 6th. That's when I started. Dang, back then I was just coming home. I was on house arrest. I was stuck in the house, couldn't do nothing. I'm just hey, how do I go from here to being comfortable? You know what I'm saying? And now I'm comfortable. I can walk freely and go where I please. I don't have P.O. calling me. You know what I'm saying? I'm at work. You know what I'm saying? Just something else out there. You know what I'm saying? It's more to life than just sitting around and worrying about, Dad, when I'm gonna get my next meal. No, I'm getting it. You know what I'm saying? I'm working. I know by the end of the day, I'm gonna eat good. I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm worried about. My loved ones is good. My friends is good. I'm good. Let's go on, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I give PTTI a lot of credit, you know what I'm saying? I love PTTI. They helped me get where I need to be, you know what I'm saying? Helped me get straight. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't see at first. Everything was blurry. I had to wait till a buffer, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm straight, I'm focused. It's cool, man. I feel like, you know what I'm saying, not to pat myself on the back, but yeah, you did it, son. You know what I'm saying? Like, all I had to do was stay focused. Get rid of all the distractions, get rid of the bad vibes, bad energy, you know what I'm saying? I had to stay out of trouble, you know what I'm saying? PTI helped me stay focused and out of trouble. And I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for PTTI. I am PTTI, you know what I'm saying? If you here, you know what I'm saying, you took your first step, just finish it. The baby steps, it's cool, you be all right, but keep on going. You ain't gonna be satisfied till you finish. Once you finish, you be happy, smiling just like me. Like I'm saying, every day is just a day to me now. Like I just wake up and go to it. So just live life and have fun and stick to it. PTTI on the whole, like it ain't no specific somebody. Everybody did their part. I am a PTTI graduate.